officially a new year, which means new trees, new bulbs, and plants here at Home Depot. And even though the snow is on the ground, I'm heading over to the store because I've heard they've already started to launch their fruit trees. And every year, I love to share with you the scoop on what's out, what pricing is, what styles, and what to expect at your big box Home Depot stores this year. So let's go check it out and see what they have. First up, I stumbled upon some beautiful weeping pussy willow trees. Now, I found that our store continues to get theirs all year long, and they range at around $110 per tree. These are beautiful, and I think they look great in a nice smaller area when you're planting them. Next up, we came across our nice fruit trees. For $89 was this cherry tree. At first, I thought this was a bit expensive, but then I realized that this was actually multiple different types of cherry trees grafted onto one tree. So it's a nice way to get a variety while you're in a smaller space. So this is around 4 to 5 different varieties. I suggest looking into the different ones, making sure that you actually like those flavor palettes, but really cool way to get multiple different types into one tree. Next up was a $110 apple tree, and at first I was also very surprised by this price, but then I realized that they are charging you for the way that the tree has been trained to grow horizontally. This makes it easier for you to actually pick the apples and pretty common in newer orchards. And that brought me on to the regular apple tree, and this came in at $69. You'll notice that all of the other trees that you're seeing here, just any of the normal fruit trees, come at around $69. So it's pretty common to what we've seen in previous years, but I do notice that when I started these videos, they were a lot cheaper, and every year they do go up in price. So my suggestion is you should have started planting these trees yesterday, but the next best time is today. And I suggest heading over to your local Home Depot store when the ground is workable, so it is thawed out enough that you can actually dig into it to actually get your fruit trees in. Now, I did notice some of the more expensive trees, like the one we just saw, that pear was a combination, and that's where the price will go up. But if you're looking for a single fruit tree, it is going to be a little bit cheaper. And really check upon the growth of the tree. This is really important when you're looking at purchasing a tree that you're going to be growing for years and years in your property. You want to make sure that it is a nice structure. It's growing the way you want. You can train it once you get it in ground, but something that you cannot train is in the soil. And what I am doing in this shot right here is I'm just checking to see where the root ball is in the soil. Now, if you do purchase a tree and the root ball is dug underneath the soil, this can create a problem because it can rot the tree and it's going to hurt the overall growth and lifespan of your tree. So definitely something to look into when you're purchasing a tree is making sure that root ball is above the soil level. Because these trees have been in these pots for quite a while, you really need to check on that. And last up here, we had some of our green trees, our arborvitaes, and our emerald greens. These are usually here all year, so something you can get throughout the year and priced at around $59. And that's it for our first shot at Home Depot's inventory for 2026.